Okay, so this is the folder that I made of links of help from Harper that has all the resources in one place about ESL and other resources at Harper. So I want to copy it to my other courses. I just am making a quick video of how to do that. So I make sure that edit mode is on in my course, and if you're copying it from the faculty resource site, you have to have instructor access to be able to copy a folder. But if you don't have it, maybe let me know or let someone else know. So this is the folder I want to copy. So I just go copy, and then I have to go and find the other course. So this is the course that it's in, and I want to put it in my Writing 5 course here. So whatever course I want to put it in, and I click destination folder, and then it opens up this little window that is going to show me the navigation for my course that I want it in, and I can select the location. And so I think about where I want it. I think I just want it in my general course materials folder. So as soon as this loads, I just click course materials, and then on the bottom of the screen, I'm going to click submit, and then it's going to be copied over to the new course. So since my internet is so slow, I probably won't show that it copied, but when it copies it, it will copy it to the very bottom of whatever folder you selected, so you need to move it up to the top if that's where you want it, or to wherever else you want. Okay, this is just a bonus if you're not bored watching my slow internet. I'm going to go to my Writing 5 course, and I put it in course materials, and this is what happens when everyone in the house is on TikTok or something like that. Scroll down to the bottom, and there it is. I'm just going to move it up to the top because I want it there. And I have this old folder, ESL department information. I'm just going to make it unavailable because I don't need that anymore. Okay, thank you.